Talk about day 2 of the hearing on same-sex marriage by a constitutional bench of the Supreme Court. Now, the CJI, D.Y. Chandrachud, has in fact countered the government on the argument of adoption, saying that existing laws do allow a person to adopt even if he or she is in a same-sex relationship. So the argument that this will create a psychological impact on the child is belied by the fact that today, as the law stands, it is open.
Wherever husband and wife is used, make it gender neutral by using spouse. Wherever, my lord, man and woman is used, make it gender neutral by saying, my lord.
Incidentally, even if a couple is in a gay relationship or a lesbian relationship, one of them can still adopt.
No, more.
So the whole argument that this will create a sort of a psychological impact on the child is belied by the fact that even today, on the state of the law as it stands,
Grateful.
once you have decriminalized homosexuality,
Absolutely.
Therefore it's open to people to live in together, and one of you can adopt. It's just that the child loses the benefit of parenthood.
Now, the CJI has also said that same-sex marriages cannot be termed urban elitist concept just because more people from the cities are coming out of the closet. That's what the Supreme Court has said while hearing arguments on legal sanction for gay marriages. The remark by the CJI comes in response to the centre's submission that the petitions seeking gay marriage rights don't represent the views of the nation and they reflect an urban elitist view.
You cannot discriminate against, the state cannot discriminate against an individual on the basis of a characteristic over which the person has no control. And when you say that, this is an innate characteristic, it's also an argument in response to the contention that this is very, elitist, or it's urban, or it has a certain class bias. Anyway, there's no data is coming out by the government to indicate that this is urban or anything like that.
Nothing.
No data at all.